This video is for everyone who are looking to sign up for a gut microbiome DNA test. Harsh truth, most of these tests are complete waste of money. And I'm going to explain you why, right? 99% of these tests are gut microbiome DNA tests. They just tell you the presence of certain bacteria or potential of certain bacteria to produce neurotransmitters, potential to cause disease, potential to cause trigger inflammation. These tests cannot translate potential into functions. And if we understand our biology is a sack of tens of thousands of biochemical reactions. Every single second, there are more than 100,000 biochemical functions taking place inside our body, right? And bacteria does not have eyes or brain. They work on biochemical signals. They sense chemical substrates and compounds, and when they sense them, they express particular genes that code for specific proteins that perform various biochemical functions. And it is this expression of the genes and the activation of certain proteins that can either give you good things or bad things, right? For instance, a bacteria called Akkermansia muciniphila. This bacteria we all know is one of the bacteria which has a potential to produce butyrate, which is one of the beneficial anti-inflammatory compound, right? But this bacteria could also trigger inflammatory cascade, which could cause multiple sclerosis, right? So it is very important to understand whether this bacteria is actually expressing certain genes that is giving you butyrate or causing this autoimmune disease, right? Therefore, what we really need to focus on not which bacteria is present, but what functions they are performing, what metabolites they are secreting, right? So it is very important to understand whether the interaction between your food and microbiome is actually making these microbes express certain genes to give you beneficial things such as short chain fatty acids or vitamins or minerals, or producing harmful toxins such as lipopolysaccharides, precresol or indoxyl sulfate, right, or DMAO. All these are harmful toxins which can make you develop diseases, right? So ideally the focus should be on measuring the biochemical functions, not who are present. And we at Gene Free Athletics are the only company in India that measure the active real biochemical functions performed by both gut and oral microbiome, right? We could actually measure what is your TMO production, what is your LPS production, what is your precursor production, what is your butyrate production, what is your vitamin and mineral absorption rate. And then on that basis, we give you precision nutrition therapeutics, program that can promote anti-inflammatory pathways and suppress pro-inflammatory pathways, right? So ask these right questions, whether these tests are actually telling you which bacteria is there or they are telling you what functions they are performing.